Today, I'll show you how to withdraw from Exness to Binance Pay. Before you begin, log into your Exness personal area and check that Binance Pay is available in your withdrawal section because Exness shows payment methods based on your registered region and availability can change. Exness also says each method has its own limits, processing time, and conditions inside your personal area. First, open your Binance app and get your Binance Pay receiving details ready. Binance says you can receive funds through Binance Pay using a QR code or by sharing your email, phone number, or Binance ID, depending on the transfer flow available. Next, go back to Exness and open the Withdrawal tab in your personal area. Select Binance Pay from the available methods, choose the trading account you want to withdraw from, enter the amount, and fill in the required payment details. Then click Continue and carefully review everything before you confirm the withdrawal. Exness says the final step is to confirm the transaction using your current security method and follow any extra on-screen instructions if needed. After that, monitor the request in Transaction History inside Exness. Once the withdrawal is completed, the funds should be credited to your selected payment account. On the Binance side, check your Funding Wallet or Binance Pay history to confirm the money has arrived. One important tip, always make sure the recipient details are correct before confirming and use only the payment options shown inside your Exness personal area. That helps avoid delays or failed withdrawals. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.